Hi, today I am going to tell you how to install your Dozy device in a hospital setup. This is your Dozy device which comes in a box. First, insert this plug into the plug point and switch the device on. Once you switch the device on, a blue light will appear like this. This is the Dozy sheet. Now place the Dozy sheet under the mattress and make sure where Dozy is written, that should be facing upwards. Place the device under the mattress like this. Make sure where you are placing the sheet is where the chest level of the patient is. Now download the Dozy Assist app on your phone and switch on the app. The Dozy Assist app will show like this. Press on the scan BLE devices. Your device number will show here. Press on the device number and the app will show this. Once the update Wi-Fi network is switched on, press on the Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network and enter the password details. Once the password is entered, click on the connect button. Once the Wi-Fi network is connected, your Dozy app will show like this. This means that your Dozy device is now ready to start. Now open the Dozy Plus website on your computer. The website is plus.dozy.io and press enter. Enter your login details and your device screen will show like this. Press on the My Devices button and your dashboard will show all the devices that are connected as on date. Your Dozy device number is 2072 in this case. So 2072 is already configured in the dashboard, and this is the screen, this is the card for the device. Now wear the sheet and place the pulse oximeter on the index finger of the patient. Press the button. Make sure that the Bluetooth indicator is switched on. This is the Bluetooth indicator which is blinking. This means that Bluetooth is connected. Once the pulse oximeter is connected, this device will show a continuous green light. Now, once the Bluetooth is connected and the patient is lying down, after 2 to 3 minutes, this card, which is grey right now, will turn into white. And you can see that SpO2 just changed. That means the device is now connected and it is sending the data to the dashboard. I am just waiting for the card, this card to turn white. Just for your information, the data is updated every 30 seconds and this can be changed according to your needs. See, the card just turned white and the parameters of heart rate, respiration, the status of the patient, whether he is awake or asleep, and SpO2 is live now. Thank you.